Anong gusto mo sa napkin mo? Basa o tuyo? Tingnan mo to. These are the two leading brands, the brand M and the brand W. Here in the middle is the Long Reach Super Clean High Technology Napkin. Now, I'm using warm water with food color. Yan. So, ang babae po kasi, nagre-release ng 30 to 80 ml each cycle. So, right now, I'm putting 50 ml each of the pads to test their absorbency. 50 ml po kasi, ito po yung pinakamalakas na pwedeng i-release ng babae sa isang upuan lang. Yan. Right. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, meron kayong makikitang kulay green na nasa gitna ng Super Clean. This is what we call the negative ion strip that kills 99.9% of bacteria. To test it, pag nagamit nyo, walang amoy. Alright? So, to test the absorbency, you'll put it here, put it here, and put it here. Now, other information lang po, the strip helps you to kill dysmenorrhea. Alright? This negative ion strip. Now, ang babae, uupo. No choice. So, kapag upo po ng babae, didiinan natin, yan po yung mangyayari sa kanila. Right? So, dito rin, umupo ang babae. Yan, kung mapapansin nyo, talagang sobrang grabe yung release ng tubig. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, super clean, tuyong-tuyo. Actually, kahit nga po, paluin natin yan, talagang tuyong-tuyo. Alright? Lalagay po natin dito. Nilagyan ko na po siya ng 50 ml. Ayan. Pero kung mapapansin nyo po, unti-unti niyang ina-absorb yung tubig. Alright? Kasi this material can absorb up to 250 ml. So, ang babae, mas makakatipid. Less hassle sa pagpalit, walang dysmenorrhea, walang cervical problems. Imagine, tuyong-tuyo, walang amoy. Alright? Kung lalaki ka, we can do business here. Kasi tayong mga lalaki, connected din naman tayo sa babae. May nanay ka, may anak kang babae, meron kang girlfriend, meron kang asawa, meron kang tita, meron kang kaibigang babae. Alright? So, for questions, you please don't forget to like the page, message me, and we can talk about it. And for an actual demonstration, we can set an appointment. Alright? I'm not selling napkins. I'm selling comfort, confidence, and care. Thank you for watching. God bless you.